So, Robert, we got 2 more questions for you, man. The first one, though, just talk about the best player that you've played against so far, man.
Oh, that's a hard question to go up against. I mean, there's different blockers, runners.
Absolutely.
And, personally, it's going to be a weird answer to a lot of people, but one of the toughest people I've ever had to tackle was Kareem Hunt. And, that's from going up against him at Toledo at Western. I know what type of player he is.
I didn't even think about the connection right there. Yeah.
And so I know what type of player he is, and just to think that he's a backup with Nick Chubb, 2 starting running backs on that team, they have a lot of talent. So I respect that guy, and, I'm excited to get to go up against other great players. James Robinson is going to be a big challenge, so excited for him this weekend.
This segment was brought to you by DraftKings Sportsbook, America's top-rated sportsbooking app. And we know sportsbooking is not allowed everywhere. So if you happen to be living in a state where it's not allowed, we got an alternative. Has anyone ever heard of fantasy football?
It's kind of popular.
It's a thing, right? And I heard of DraftKings. Well, you heard of DraftKings, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what if I told you that DraftKings combined, and they have a fantasy football app as well, where not only is this app awesome, but they're giving out up to $1 million worth of prizes every week. Did you hear that right? $1 million worth of prizes every week. That's what DraftKings fantasy football app is doing. And to add to that, did I tell you about that promo code?
It has something to do with your name?
Oh, yeah, that promo code. Yes, man. If you use promo code Moats for all the first-time users out there, you will receive up to $1,000 in deposit bonus money. So, with that being said, I mean, what are they waiting on?
Not sure.
Go download the app, use the promo code, and let's get that money. Or at least an opportunity.